Hello guys, hopefully everyone's doing well, and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you how to make this granny square. Okay, so there's a few granny squares that I will make, and I will be showing you guys. Okay, so this one is just a normal one, okay, with all the stitches, with the double crochet. Okay, so this one is the first one. Okay, and I will show you step by step. Okay, for these granny squares, okay, I'll be using 3.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so you can use whatever hook you like, and you will be using the one that is suitable for your yarn. Okay, so this one is a cotton yarn. So let's get started. Okay guys, so for this tutorial I will be using 3.5 millimeter hook and my cotton yarn. Okay, to get started, okay, we are going to make magic ring. Okay, and then we're going to chain 3, and we're going to put, okay, double crochet into the magic ring. Okay, so the chain 3 count as double crochet, so 1 2 3, and then after that we're going to chain 2, and we're going to make a 3 double crochet. Okay, so that's one set. Okay, so after that, chain 2 and another set of 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Okay, so after that, chain 2 again, and then 3 more double crochet. Okay, so we have our corners. I'll just pull this. Okay, as you can see, okay, so we have 1 2 3. Okay, so this is our fourth corner to complete that square. Okay, so chain 2 and just slip stitch into the third chain. Okay, so 1 2 and then the third. Okay, so from here, as you can see, we have our square. That is our foundation. Okay, so from here, chain 3. Okay, so we are going to yarn over and then add, okay, make a double crochet into the next. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 here, so we are going to put 3 on top of that. Okay, so then we are into the square. Okay, so we are going to put 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Two. Then we're going to make 3 double crochet on top of it's double crochet. So that's one, and then the second and the third, and we are on the corner again. Okay, so 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and as you know, here is we are going to put 1 double crochet on top of our double crochet in previous row. Okay, and we are back into the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet, and then double crochet on top of double crochet, and then we are finished into our row. Okay, so just 1 corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet, then we are going to slip stitch 1 1 2 3, and the top of the 3rd chain we're going to slip stitch. Okay, so as you can see, we have our small granny square. Okay, so from here, okay, so remember, okay, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here, so we are going to do the 7 1 2 3. Okay, but I will be starting here, so 2 left here, so 1 here, and the next, okay, I will be putting 1 double crochet, and then do the next double crochet, and do the next double crochet, and the next. Okay, so we are into our corner, so every corner you will be working with 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space, and we are going to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 double crochet. Okay, so 1 double crochet on top of double crochet in our previous row, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and then we are into our corner. So our corner, 2 double crochet, 1 2, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2, then 7 again. Okay, so 7 double crochet until to the next corner. So continue doing that, and I'll meet you up when I got here. Okay guys, so I got here to my last corner. Okay, so in our corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet in the same space. And then from here, okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5, so we are going to continue. Okay, we have 2 left here. Okay, we are going to put 2 double crochet there to complete our row, and then 1 to the third chain. Okay, we are going to slip stitch. So as you can see, that is our granny squares. And then from here, chain 3. Okay, so that is our chain 3, count as double crochet. The next chain, we'll do our double crochet, and the next double crochet, the next double crochet. So you will be counting how many double crochet you have in the previous row, and you will be doing that. You will be making a double crochet on top of our double crochet in the previous row, and into the corner. Okay, it's the same. So 2 double crochet. Okay, so in the same corner, 1 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 2. Okay, so just make sure that when you finish, okay, you will be starting in this double crochet on top of that. 1, and then you will be continuing this until you get to the last or the next corner, and you will be doing the same. Okay, so just make 1 double crochet on top of our double crochet in the previous row, and in the 2 chain space in the corner, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. So I will be showing you once, and after that you have to continue until you get your size that you wanted. Okay, so we are here in the corner, 2 double crochet, 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 2, and then start from here. On top of that is double crochet. Okay, you're continuing this all around. Okay, so I will meet you guys when I get here. Okay guys, so I got to my corner, and in our corner, okay, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Okay, and then we are just going to continue to finish this row. Okay, just putting 1 double crochet on top of our double crochet in the previous row, and just making sure that, okay, well, we don't put too much. So we have 4 there, so 1 2 3, and we're going to slip stitch. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so this is our perfect granny square. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, that's 6 rows, and then the last one is I did this chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so you make that, guys. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So I will make 2 more rows, okay, off the camera, and then I will get back to you when I'm on this row. Okay, guys, so as I mentioned to you, I will be showing you how to make this, okay, to finish our granny square. Okay, so we are here. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is our 7th row. Okay, so chain 3, okay, and then add 1, okay, so that will be 4, okay, and then skip 1 here and go to the next and make a double crochet, and then chain 1, skip 1, and then to the next, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, to the next, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, the next, double crochet, chain 1, okay, as you can see, okay, chain 1, skip 1, okay, and to the next, and then make a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and then we are in the corner. Okay, so in our corner, okay, we are going to chain 1, okay, and 1, place 1 double crochet into the chain, the space, and chain 2 and place another 1 double crochet into the same space, chain 1, and from the first one you are going to place a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, to the next, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, we have that our corner. Okay, so our corner there, and we are just going to continue that until we get to the next one. Okay, then a corner. Okay, so when you got here, double crochet, then chain 1 and into the space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same space, and then chain 1 and then double crochet. Okay, so that's how you make this. Okay, I will finish this and I'll come back to you and I'll show you. Hello guys, so this is my finished project. As you can see, okay, so we have 2 different, a pair of granny squares. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please leave a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press that notification bell. Thank you very much guys, and have a great day. Until to the next video, bye.